This video reveals natural remedies to restore your gum line. Bid farewell to worries about gum recession with our must-watch guide. After watching this video, you'll be on your way to saying goodbye to gum recession woes and hello to a confident smile. Here are 15 remedies to grow back your gums naturally. 1. Oil pulling. Oil pulling can reverse your receding gums naturally. Oil pulling is a popular age-long practice for removing plaque and other food particles from the mouth with natural oils. What's more, it's an effective natural remedy for receding gums and gingivitis. To practice oil pulling, you'll need sesame oil or high-quality coconut oil. Simply swish a spoonful of oil in your mouth while pulling the oil between your teeth as well. Do this for 20 minutes and spit it out. Rinse your mouth with warm water or add some salt for an antibacterial effect. Finally, brush your teeth. 2. Saltwater. Saltwater isn't just an easy-to-make natural oral rinse. It's antibacterial and can kill bacteria that cause receding gums. Saltwater can also soothe painful and swollen gums. To make a saltwater rinse, mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this mixture for 30 seconds and spit it out. Try not to swallow it. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times daily to rebuild receding gums naturally. 3. Eucalyptus oil. According to studies, eucalyptus oil can effectively treat receding gums and promotes tissue growth. It's a natural anti-inflammatory germicide, so it kills bacteria around your teeth. Small doses of eucalyptus oil support strong teeth and prevent the need for dentures, veneers, and adult braces. It's commonly added to mouthwashes, gum, and dental products. After using eucalyptus oil, people often claim their mouth feels cleaner and breath tastes fresher. It's important to not go overboard with the eucalyptus oil when it comes to your dental care. Try adding it to a homemade mouthwash or dental paste. 4. Brushing correctly. Brushing to prevent receding gums is a no-brainer, but how you brush matters. Ensure you use a toothbrush with soft or medium-textured bristles. More importantly, brush gently. You don't want to contribute to wearing away your gum tissue by brushing aggressively. 5. Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint Essential Oil doesn't just smell nice, it also prevents microorganism growth in your mouth that could cause serious damage like gum recession. In terms of prevention, peppermint essential oil is an effective ingredient for a receding gum line. You can dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in water and use it as a mouthwash. The refreshing taste can make your oral care routine more enjoyable. 6. Green tea. Drinking a cup or 2 of green tea can help you reverse receding gum tissue naturally. Green tea has properties that prevent the growth of bacteria. This makes it a great natural remedy for receding gums and other dental diseases. Just ensure you drink it plain. Don't add sugar or any other flavoring that bacteria can feed on. Doing this can defeat the antibacterial property of green tea and worsen receding gums. 7. Flossing regularly. Brushing and flossing correctly can naturally reverse your receding gums. Flossing removes plaque containing harmful bacteria from tough-to-reach places your toothbrush can't get to. These bacteria can cause receding gums and other dental problems. Flossing at least twice daily is the easiest way to keep gum recession at bay. 8. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide isn't just great for first aid, it's also an excellent natural remedy for receding gum tissue. It can also help treat swollen and sore gums too, not to mention that it can also whiten your teeth a bit. To make a hydrogen peroxide rinse, mix a 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide in a 1/4 cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with the solution for 30 seconds. Ensure you don't swallow any of it. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain warm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and no more than that to heal receding gum tissue naturally. 9. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is one of the most effective natural remedies for any inflammation. For people with periodontitis, a severe form of gum disease, an overgrowth of bacteria triggers painful and swollen gums. But some plant sterols found in aloe vera may act as an antiseptic, meaning they stop or slow down bacteria growth. In the case of receding gums, injecting medicinal aloe vera gel into gum inflammation can help improve your gum tissue. However, only a trained dental professional should perform this if the method is truly their recommendation. 10. Septilin. Septilin is an herbal mixture consisting of licorice, guggle, and guduchi, so it's rich in natural substances that are great for fighting gum recession-causing bacteria. It comes in both tablets and syrups. To use it as a gum recession remedy, adults can take 2 tablets twice a day or 2 spoonfuls of syrup 3 times a day. 11. Turmeric Gel. Turmeric gel is good for your teeth. Turmeric gel contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it an excellent treatment for gingivitis. Since gum recession can start with gingivitis, turmeric gel is an effective way to stop it from happening at all. There are also many ways you can add turmeric to your oral hygiene. You can make a turmeric-based toothpaste to prevent gum disease or a homemade whitening toothpaste if you want. They're both easy to do. Before you do this, it's important to take note of 2 things. Turmeric has a certain taste that may not be enjoyable for everyone, and adding it to your toothbrushing regimen may make your toothbrush bristles yellow. You can easily fix the taste problem by adding other ingredients such as mint, and you can just use a separate toothbrush for this. 12. Tea tree oil. A 2013 study found tea tree essential oil can reduce harmful bacteria growth in the mouth. The antibacterial properties in tea tree essential oil can help control the bacteria. This can help keep mouths healthy, avoiding tooth decay and plaque buildup. Plaque buildup is related to periodontal disease, which can lead to complications like receding gums. The tricky part is that you don't want to ingest tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is generally considered safe when applied topically, but to avoid oral use as it can be toxic when swallowed. Some people advocate making DIY toothpastes and mouthwashes with tea tree oil with the caveat that it should always be completely spat out and never swallowed. 13. Omega-3 fatty acids. You can use omega-3 fatty acids to heal or prevent receding gums naturally in 2 ways. Eating food that contains omega-3 fatty acids like certain fish, seeds, and nuts, and by taking omega-3 supplements. Also, a clinical trial shows that taking 300 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids for 12 weeks reduces gum swelling and helps receding gums heal naturally. 14. Thyme Essential Oil. Like other essential oils mentioned before, thyme oil has similar benefits. It's a great home remedy to reverse receding gums naturally. Thyme essential oil is extracted from the thyme plant. Along with thyme oil's other benefits, it's also beneficial for maintaining overall oral health. The most potent and active component in the oil is thymol. This component is capable of killing bacteria that cause periodontal disease. Moreover, thyme essential oil also reduces the chances of other dental problems such as cavities. 15. Lemon. Lemons are proven to have antiseptic and antibacterial properties. The lemon can stimulate the growth of receding gums, and they also are effective against bad breath. But don't overuse lemons as they're extremely acidic and can destroy the enamel on your teeth. Lemon oil can be acquired or prepared at home by infusing olive oil with lemon for a few weeks. This oil can be used for swishing your mouth first thing in the morning. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to regrow receding gums naturally. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.